30 seconds, Duncan. So you have to just, whatever you got, you have to put it on the plate. Go. Go. Plate it. Plate it, plate it, plate it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Time's up. That's it. That's it. Finished. Finished. You are halfway. You got half hour left.
24-year-old Christopher impressed the judges in the first round, but his inexperience showed in the professional kitchen. Now will his own 2 dishes prove he's got what it takes?
I'm keeping it simple again today. I think that idea paid off yesterday. I'm doing grilled sea bass on crushed new potatoes with the chorizo sausage. And for pudding, I'm doing summer pudding.
Do you have a big enough repertoire if we would take you further in the competition?
I think I've got some good dishes up my sleeve, definitely. You know, the comments that I had yesterday from you guys kind of spurred me on to think, yeah, I can get through to the final and win it.
You seem to be growing in confidence with every stir of the pan. Well done, Chris.
Cheers, guys.
If you get those flavours and those textures absolutely right, that's the sort of food I go out and buy.
You've only got 5 minutes. 5 minutes left, please. You've got 30 seconds, Duncan. So you have to just, whatever you got, you have to put it on the plate. Go. Go. Plate it. Plate it, plate it, plate it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Time's up. That's it. That's it. Finished. Finished. You've got salty mussels from the sea, and you've got that sweet fish. The crunch of samphire would have just been stunning. Duncan, I don't think there's any doubting your cooking ability. I think we need to go and buy you a watch.
I know you're missing bits and pieces, but you know what? It's not that bad. Move on to our veal.
Lovely, creamy, soft mash. Nicely cooked veal. That's it. Of course, there should have been so much more.
Your veal escallops cooked nicely. You got a sauce which is not reduced. Good concept, bad follow-through.
Really disappointed. And I think if you give me another chance, I think you'll see what should have been there on the plate.
Christopher's first dish is sea bass on chorizo and potatoes with a tomato, herb and olive salsa, followed by a classic summer fruit pudding with blackberry coulis and lime creme fraiche.
I love the intensity of those really sweet tomatoes with the basil, and then right at the last minute, I'm still left with that beautiful, rich, perfectly cooked piece of sea bass. This is good-looking, well-composed, thought-about food.
That is food that people will buy and happily eat. I think you have an exceptional palate. Finish with the fish. Pudding.
You start with the intense blackberry, but then suddenly you get this wonderful fresh ping of tropical flavour from that lime rind that sits on top of the cream. It's simply delicious.
Naturally sweet, natural juice, big pile of summer goodness, and I'll quite happily stick my face in it.
That hunger for this competition, do you have it?
Yeah, absolutely. I am hungry for the competition. But the more and more that I've done over the last couple of days, then hopefully that'll build my confidence.
You three are great amateur cooks. But as you know, we've only got one place. Our quarter-finalist is Chris. Congratulations.